Welcome guys, in this video I'm with Cubot Note 9 and I'm going to show you a few camera tricks. Okay, so the first, when we are in the camera application, will be as default on the capture mode. It's the photo mode, and you can take pictures with the shutter right here, but also you can use the volume buttons, volume up and down. So take a look how it works. You can press once on volume up and down, and you will also take photos. That's very simple. If you want to use zoom feature, you can click and hold on already selected preset. It's actually the 1x, and you will enable this slider. As you can see, you can zoom in and zoom out by moving your finger right here, and you can also make this gesture pinching screen. And the maximum zoom on this phone, it's 4x. Right now we can open the settings, because right here we can find other useful options. Like for example, we can switch volume key function from shutter, for example, to use zoom. So when you press volume up right now, you will zoom in, and when you press volume down, you will zoom out. When you go back for the settings, we can also enable countdown duration between 3 or 10 seconds, and right now when we are going to click on the shutter, after this time the photo will be taken. Another option right here, it's touch photography. When you enable this option and click on the screen once, you will take photo. So it's useful for you when you, for example, cannot reach this bottom shutter, and on the volume buttons you set up the zoom, so that's easy way to take photo. Okay, and the last option that we can use right here, we can click and hold on the screen and then adjust the brightness level by moving this sun icon on the left or the right. So as you can see, we can increase or decrease the brightness level. We can also make it manually automatically by tapping on the screen once. And if you wonder about other modes, we can go for the more modes and we can find filters, and as you can see, they change color and the temperature. So if you want to take photo, for example with this one, just select, click on the shutter, and the photo was taken. To turn it off, click on the X, and that's all. Another option that will be useful for you, it's for example the burst shot. So right now when you click and hold shutter, you can take a series of the photo. You can take 30 photos in each series. And yeah, that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, just remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.